गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज जो हम मेडिसिन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे उसका नाम है ब्रोमियम। इंट्रोडक्शन। जनरल नेम इज ब्रोमीन। फैमिली which he belongs is halogen. Other members are fluorine, chlorine and iodine. Prover are herring, and duration of action is 20 to 30 days. Most marked effects are seen in the respiratory symptoms, especially in larynx and trachea. It seems to affect especially scrofulous children with enlarged glands, Blondie type, enlarged parotid and goiter, tendency to spasmodic attacks, and left-sided mumps are seen. Signs of suffocation, excoriating discharges, profuse sweats, and great weakness. Complaint from being overheated. And there is tendency to infiltrate glands, become hard, but seldom suppurate. Clinically, it is used in asthma, cough, diphtheria, enlargement of glands, goiter, heart diseases, hypertrophy of mumps, respiratory affection, physometra, and vertigo. Sphere of action and pathogenesis is causing induration and enlargement of glands of the body. After that, its chief action is on the respiratory tract and heart. It also acts on female and male genitals, and there is a tendency to infiltrate glands, become hard, but seldom suppurate. When we talk about the constitution, it acts best on persons with light blue eyes, flaxen hair, light eyebrows, fair and delicate skin persons, and suited to blondie red-cheeked scrofulous persons. Heat and cold relation, it is a chilly patient. When we talk about the miasm, all the three miasma, sora, psychosis, and syphilis are in the background. When we talk about the diathesis, there is a scrofulous and tubercular diathesis. Now we talk about its symptoms. First, the mind symptoms. Delusion that strange person are looking over patient's shoulder and that she would see someone on turning. Quarrelsome. In head, there is a migraine of left side, worse stooping, especially after drinking milk. Headache, worse heat of sun and by rapid motion. Sharp pain through eyes, dizzy when crossing a stream of water. In nose symptoms, there is coryza with corrosive soreness of the nose, stoppage of right nostril, pressure at root of the nose, tickling, smarting as from cobwebs, fan-like motion of Elaenaceae, which is also seen in Lycopodium and Antium tart, bleeding from nose relieving the chest. In throat symptoms, we found that the throat feels raw in evening with hoarseness, tonsils pain on swallowing, deep red with network of dilated blood vessels, tickling in trachea during inspiration, hoarseness coming on from being overheated. When we talk about stomach and abdomen symptoms, there are sharp burning from the tongue to stomach, pressure as of stone, gastralgia, better eating, tympanitic distension of the abdomen, painful hemorrhoids with black stool. In respiratory system, we found that there is a whooping cough persistently for about 10 days, and there is dry cough with hoarseness and burning pain behind sternum. There is a spasmodic cough with rattling of mucus in the larynx. Suffocative hoarseness is present. Croup after febrile symptoms have subsided. There is difficult and painful breathing, violent cramping of the chest pains run upward, and the cold sensation when inspiring. Every inspiration provoked a cough. In laryngeal diphtheria, there is a membrane begin in larynx and spread upward. There is a spasmodic constriction, asthma, difficulty in getting air into lungs, There is difficulty in expelling the air. There is better at the sea of seafaring men when they come on land. There is hypertrophy of heart from gymnastic, which is also seen in Rustox. There is fibrinous bronchitis, great dyspnea, bronchial tubes filled with smoke. In male, there is swelling of testicles, indurated, with pains worse slight jar. In females, there is swelling of the ovaries, menses too early, too profuse with membranous threads. There is low spirited before menses, tumor in breasts with stitching pain, worse left. Stitching pains from breast to axilla, sharp shooting pain in left breast, worse by the pressor. In sleep, there is a full of dreams and anguish, jerking and starting during sleep, full of fantasy and illusions, difficulty to go to the sleep at night, cannot sleep enough in morning, trembling and weak on awaking. In skin symptoms, there are acne, pimples, and pustules, boils on arms and face. Glands are stony hard, especially on lower jaw and throat. There is hard goiter, which is also seen in spongia, and there is gangrene. When we talk about modalities and relationships, modalities are worse from evening until midnight and when sitting in warm room, warm damp weather when at rest and lying left side, better from any motion, exercise at sea. When we talk about the relationship, it antidotes ammonium carb camphor. Salt inhibit the action of bromium. When we compare this medicine, we can compare with conium, spongia, iodum, asteria rubrans, argentum nitricum, and there is a precaution that we avoid milk when taking bromium. In hydrobromic acid, there is a symptoms like throat dry and puckering, constriction in pharynx and chest, waves of heat over face and neck, pulsating tinnitus with great nervous irritability, vertigo, palpitation, arms heavy, seemed as if parts did not belong to him. Seems to have a specific effect on the inferior cervical ganglion, increasing the tonic action of the sympathetic, thus promoting vasoconstriction, relieve headache, tinnitus, and vertigo, especially in vasomotor stomach disturbance. Doses are first to third attenuation, also useful in 6, 30, and 200 potencies. Thank you.